The Smiths went to court to file allegations against each other. That is unusual and shows the level of tension between them. So what can anyone do to protect their children in a similar situation? KGW's Pat Doris went to find out. Pat.
Well, Tracy, there are a number of steps you can take, and the comforting news an expert told me is that as shocking as the Smith case is, it is also rare. A toddler murdered in Cannon Beach, her mother charged with the crime. It's the sort of thing that makes us shake our heads and ask, why?
It's not as common as people think, where people are going to act out in a totally inappropriate way.
Over the past 37 years, divorce attorney Albert Menashe has seen lots of couples endure tremendous stress. Most find a way to cope, he says. The emotional turmoil is the worst.
The legal stuff, which lawyers are able to help you with, but there's also this mental health agenda, and they tend to be overlapped. And if people can separate the two and talk to a mental health professional about this agenda and a lawyer on this agenda, it's easy. But we're human beings, not computers.
So what can you do if you find yourself in a place where you worry about your soon-to-be ex? Menashe says you can ask neighbors and friends to drop by and visit the kids. If there's a problem, they can tell you. You can also consider calling Child Protective Services and ask for a home visit by a professional. One of the most drastic steps is filing for emergency temporary custody, but it's hard to win. Finally, you can ask a judge to order supervised parenting time. Menashe said he's seen a variety of responses to the pressure of divorce.
It's really very, very specific to the individuals and to their family.
Greg Smith filed papers on his wife asking for custody of his children. Sadly, it did not work. It's rare, but the worst does happen. So it is rare, but if you find yourself going through a difficult divorce, don't be afraid to reach out for help. It could make all the difference in the world. And if you can't afford to pay for a professional, look to your church or friends or neighbors. Back to you.
Important information indeed. Thank you, Pat.